Hey there, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to start a shawarma stand and actually make money doing it. I'm talking about a sample business plan template that's been proven to work with real numbers and real stories. Let's jump right in. First off, let's start with the introduction. The topic today is how to start a shawarma stand sample business plan template. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Shawarma? That's just a wrap with meat, right? Well, yes, but it's also a billion-dollar global industry, and in places like Lagos, Nigeria, it's a street food staple that's taking off. So if you've ever thought about starting your own small business, this might be the perfect entry point.
Now, let's get inspired by a real success story. Meet Kayode Oluwamotemi. He started a shawarma joint in Lagos, and within just 2 months, he was making over $1,500 a month. Today, he runs 2 locations. That's impressive, right? But how did he do it? Let's break it down. First, why start a shawarma business? There are 4 big reasons: high demand, low startup costs, flexible operation, and scalable potential. Let's unpack each one. High demand. Shawarma is loved by people of all ages, especially in urban areas. It's quick, tasty, and affordable. Low startup costs. You don't need a fancy restaurant. A small cart or a tiny shop can work. Flexible operation. You can set up shop in different locations depending on foot traffic, like near universities, markets, or bus stops. And scalable potential. Once you get one stand running, you can expand to more locations, just like Coyote did. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Get the needed knowledge. You can't make great shawarma if you don't know how to prepare it. So either learn the skills yourself or hire a skilled cook. The key here is mastering meat preparation, seasoning, and assembly techniques. The meat has to be marinated just right. Think about the spices, the texture, the juiciness. And the assembly, it's not just throwing ingredients together. The order matters: meat, veggies, sauce, wrap. It has to be balanced so every bite is perfect.
Step 2. Gain experience. This is crucial. You can't just jump into running a stand without knowing how to handle customers or make sales. So consider working in a fast food joint first. Learn about customer service, how to greet people, how to handle complaints, how to keep a smile even when it's busy. And sales techniques: upselling, cross-selling, making recommendations. For example, if someone orders a shawarma, you can ask if they want extra sauce or a drink. These small things add up.
Step 3. Write a business plan. I know, business plans sound boring, but they're essential. Your plan should include a marketing plan, financial projections, risk assessment, competition analysis, and location analysis. Let's take each part. Marketing plan. How will you get people to know about your stand? Social media, flyers, word of mouth. Financial projections. How much will you spend on ingredients, rent, labor? How much do you need to sell to break even? Risk assessment. What if the price of meat goes up? What if a competitor opens nearby? Competition analysis. Who else is selling shawarma in your area? What are they doing well, and what can you do better? Location analysis. Where is the best place to set up? High foot traffic is key, but also consider rent costs and accessibility. Step 4. Get necessary equipment. You can't make shawarma without the right tools. The main one is a shawarma making machine. This is where the meat is roasted on a rotating spit. Then there are cooking utensils, knives, cutting boards, grills. Furniture, tables and chairs if you have a seating area, or just a cart. Uniform, wearing a clean apron and hat makes you look professional. A mobile cart if you want to move around, and a big umbrella to protect you and your customers from the sun or rain. Now, let's talk about marketing strategies to make your shawarma stand out. First, make yours the best. How? Create superior quality shawarma with unique spices. Don't just use the same old blend everyone else uses. Experiment. Maybe add a local twist, like using Nigerian spices. Develop a distinctive flavor profile that people can't find anywhere else.
Focus on exceptional taste, every bite should be memorable. And innovate recipes, try new fillings, new sauces, new wraps. Maybe offer a vegan option or a spicy version for those who love heat. Second, location and targeting. Choose high-traffic areas, near institutions like universities, colleges, or offices. These places have a constant flow of people looking for quick meals. Target teenagers, youths, and ladies. They're the biggest consumers of street food. But don't ignore other groups, families, workers, tourists. Maybe offer family packs or combo deals to attract more customers.
Now, let's wrap up with key takeaways. These are the lessons you can learn from Coyote's success and business plan. First, offer excellent customer service. People remember how you make them feel. A friendly smile, a quick service, and a willingness to listen can turn a one-time customer into a regular. Second, don't fear challenges. Starting a business is hard. There will be days when you don't make enough money, or when the machine breaks down, or when a customer complains. But don't give up. Third, persistence leads to success. Coyote didn't make $1,500 in the first week. He kept going, learning from his mistakes and improving every day. Fourth, learn from feedback. Ask your customers what they like and what they don't. Use that feedback to make changes. Maybe they want more sauce or a different type of bread. Fifth, continuous improvement. The market is always changing, so you have to keep up. Try new things, update your menu, and stay ahead of the competition.
So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.